A new study from Dell Medical School at UT Austin shows whooping cough is making a dangerous comeback here in the Lone Star State. More than 3,500 cases have been confirmed this year. It is the highest number in more than a decade and a tenfold increase since 2023. So far, Travis County has reported at least 134 cases this year. Health officials say declining vaccination rates, increased travel, and lack of awareness about adult boosters are fueling this surge. The disease is especially dangerous for infants and vulnerable populations. Experts urge parents to make sure their children are vaccinated and adults to check if they need boosters.